If you're looking for a productivity or planning app in 2026, you may have heard about Tiimo, a tool that has gained a lot of attention online, especially among people with ADHD or anyone who struggles with time management. The app promises to turn chaotic to-do lists into clear visual schedules using reminders, focus timers, and even an AI assistant. But with so many productivity apps available today, the real question is Tiimo actually a good app in 2026, or is it just another subscription planner? Let's take a closer look. To begin with, Tiimo is a visual daily planning app designed to help users organize their routines, manage tasks, and stay focused throughout the day. The app was originally created to support people with ADHD and autism. But over time, it has become popular with many users who prefer visual planning instead of traditional to-do lists. One of the most important features of Tiimo is its visual timeline system. Instead of just listing tasks, the app shows your day as a color-coded timeline where activities appear in blocks of time. This makes it easier to see how your day is structured and helps users understand how much time they actually have for each activity. For people who struggle with time awareness, this visual approach can make planning much clearer and less overwhelming. Another useful feature is the focus timer, built into each task. When you start an activity, the timer helps you stay on track until the task is finished. This can be especially helpful for people who get distracted easily or have trouble starting tasks. The app also sends reminders and gentle notifications to keep you moving from one activity to the next. Tiimo has also introduced an AI co-planner, which helps break large tasks into smaller steps and suggests realistic time estimates, instead of automatically controlling your schedule. The AI simply helps guide your planning process, making it easier to get started when a task feels overwhelming. Another feature many users like is the ability to create custom routines, such as morning routines, work blocks, or evening wind-down schedules. You can reuse these routines every day, which helps create structure and consistency in your schedule. The app also works across several devices, including smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. In fact, Tiimo received a lot of attention after winning Apple's iPhone App of the Year in 2025, which helped boost its popularity in productivity rankings. However, Tiimo is not perfect, and there are a few things you should consider before using it. Some users say that the app can take time to set up because you need to enter your routines and tasks before it becomes truly useful. Others feel that certain features like timers or syncing can occasionally have bugs or technical issues. Pricing is another factor. Tiimo offers a limited free version, but most of the useful features require a premium subscription. Depending on your region, the paid version can cost around $7 to $12 per month or about $50 per year. So, is Tiimo a good app in 2026? For people who struggle with organization, time blindness, or maintaining daily routines, Tiimo can be a very helpful tool. Its visual timeline, focus timers, and structured routines make planning easier and less stressful than traditional task apps. However, if you just need a simple to-do list or a basic calendar, Tiimo might feel more complicated than necessary. Some users may also find the subscription price difficult to justify if they only use the app occasionally. Overall, Tiimo stands out as one of the most unique productivity apps available today, especially for people who prefer visual planning and structured routines. While it's not perfect, it can be a powerful tool for building better habits and staying organized in everyday life. If this review helped you understand whether Tiimo is worth trying, consider subscribing for more honest reviews of apps, AI tools, and productivity platforms. And let me know in the comments, do you prefer visual planners like Tiimo or traditional to-do list apps?